Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Microsoft Excel with Monday.com, the smart way to sync up your data, share updates across teams, and streamline your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to import crucial Excel spreadsheets into Monday.com, making it super easy to manage your data right inside the platform. Whether you're tracking project timelines, budgets, or weekly tasks, this guide will help you bridge the gap between these two powerful tools. Let's get right into it. First, it's important to know that a true live sync between Excel and Monday.com isn't a built-in feature as of now. Instead, you'll be using some clever workarounds, like marketplace apps or integration tools, for continuous syncing. But today, I'll walk you through the most straightforward way to move your data, using the Monday.com import feature. Think of this as more of a snapshot import. It's perfect for transferring a chunk of data all at once, though keep in mind, it won't update dynamically if your Excel sheet changes later. So if you're cleaning up last year's budget, building a staff directory, or pulling in a one-off project plan, this method is ideal. Here's how to get started. Before you even touch Monday.com, you'll want to prepare your Excel file. Take a moment to double-check that your spreadsheet has a header row, the top row with labels like Task, Due Date, and Assigned To. These headers will make mapping your data much smoother, and they'll help your team understand what's what once you've imported everything. Also, make sure you save your file as .xls, .xls, or .csv. These are the formats Monday.com can read. If your file's saved as something else, like .ods or .txt, you'll need to convert it first. It may seem small, but tidying up your spreadsheet here saves tons of trouble later. Next, head over to your Monday.com workspace. This is basically the digital room where your team collaborates. Navigating to the correct workspace is crucial. Think of it like walking into the right meeting room before dropping off a stack of papers. If you're new to Monday.com, you'll see a list of workspaces on the left. Just click into the one where you want your data to appear. Taking this step prevents confusion, especially if your organization manages multiple projects or departments. Once you're inside the workspace, you're ready to initiate the import. At the top of the workspace, you look for the plus add button. It might also appear as an arrow next to the new item button. Click this and then choose import data. You'll be presented with several options. Select Excel. This part is pretty intuitive, but if you don't see your option right away, don't worry. Sometimes menus are tucked into drop-downs. A window will pop up for the upload. Here, you can drag and drop your Excel file, or use the file picker to browse for it. As soon as you upload, Monday.com will analyze your spreadsheet. Now comes mapping. On the mapping screen, you'll match each Excel column with the appropriate Monday.com column type. For example, a column labeled Date in Excel should map to a date field in Monday.com, while Progress might go to a status column. This step is critical because it tells Monday.com how to interpret your info. Getting this right ensures you aren't stuck with a board full of jumbled or meaningless data. Take your time with mapping, especially if your spreadsheet uses custom labels or mixes up data types. If you hit a snag, don't panic. You can always cancel and start again, or reach out to Monday.com support if you're really stuck. Once everything looks good, just hit Create Board, or Start Import depending on the prompt. Monday.com will do its thing, converting your spreadsheet rows into a shiny new board. This part might take a few moments, especially for large files. When it's done, you'll see your Excel data organized and ready for action in Monday.com. From here, you can assign items to teammates, add automations, or update statuses, making your projects much more interactive than Excel alone could ever offer. And that's it. You've just taken your Excel spreadsheet and transformed it into a dynamic Monday.com board. If this walkthrough helped you, go ahead and hit that like button below. And if you've got questions, maybe about integrating with other tools or setting up automation, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.